Hey, it's Ed Virginity Rocks. Welcome to the channel. I did pick up this Solari SD301 smoke machine on Amazon, and I wanted it to help me find a leak because I got a code, P0456. I'm no expert with this tool, but I'll show you what I've learned so far and whether it actually helped me track down the leak. Let's dive in and see how it went. So, Solari, that's what I'm going to call it anyway. And the manual we'll have a look at. Now, you get this for your exhaust, which is very cool. You got your hose, you got your hook, and plug, okay, for putting in another hose, and it runs off your battery, which is cool, right? So that's what we have. Now what I'm going to try and run is some baby oil. Just imagine $7.50 for a bit of baby oil, man, oh man. But apparently this works very well if you don't get the halo or any, just the basic baby oil. One thing I will say, when you're using baby oil, it works great. Makes a lot of smoke, no problems. But obviously you're going to be using it on a car more than likely. But if you know, if you're going to test it inside, like I got a battery here, but if you're going to test it inside your shed or garage, the smell, it's a day and a half later, and the smell, you can still smell it inside, and it has that burnt oil smell. So just wanted to let you know that. First thing, screw this in, plug in the power cord right there. Plug in the hose like that, and then tighten this down. Don't need to go crazy. The hose is very soft. That's a nice, it's, you know, you can bend it around anything, or it's not rigid at all. So that's a bonus. So it is 30 milliliters is what it says. So I'm just going to fill this up with baby oil. So I filled it up to the 100 mark. So put in 30 milliliters. Nice little cap. Whole ring there. So put that on. Now to test it, I have the battery here, so that should do. We'll hook that up in a second. So I got it hooked up. I'm going to turn it on. And let's see if this baby oil works. Oh, you can see some smoke. Get some background here. Can you see it against the light? Okay, there you go. So yeah, lots of smoke coming out of there. Don't smell that great. There's lots of smoke, so I guess the baby oil do work. So on this 2015 Rogue, that's the EVAP service port. So I'm just coming over here and I'm taking this clip off and sliding this off. I'm going to stick the thing in here and see if there's any leaks. So I got it stuck in there. Now, just to see where it's coming out. Where the light is.
As I was using the Solari SD301 smoke machine to track down that pesky evap code P0456, I noticed, as you can see in the video, the smoke started coming out of the frame. But when I traced it back, which I didn't see show on the video, it's coming from on top of the gas tank. That explains why it was coming through the framing, which was next to it. Now that tells me that it's more likely to be either a small hole in the gas tank itself, or the seal that's on the fuel pump may be bad. Either way, it looks like that's the root cause of the issue.